Okay, time for best reviews. I love this. And this is tailgating, which is so fantastic. Meredith Gallo is here right now. We're going to be talking about tailgating tips. I'm Gary Gelfand, by the way. Where do we start? We got to start with the Yeti, don't we?
Yeah, absolutely. So BestReviews.com has been testing a ton of tailgating products. This is one of our favorites. It's the Hopper M20 Yeti cooler. We like this because it's actually a backpack. So it's super easy to carry around, very portable. If you're bringing stuff to your tailgate, it holds about 18 cans and it comes in around $325.
Love that.
Not too bad. When you're tailgating, you always want to have good music.
You gotta have tunes, right?
Yeah.
Sure.
Watch that pregame analysis. So we like this option from Sonos. It's the Sonos Move. It has a really great, robust sound. It has 11 hours of playtime, so get you well through that tailgate, through the game, whatever else you have planned that day.
And it connects super easy.
Yeah, it's Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Great one.
All right, let's move on to this. I'm familiar with this. I've got one very, very similar. Weber's huge. If you're going to tailgate, you got to do some cooking, right?
Yeah, so as you can see, Best Reviews has been testing this. This is one of our tips from the Northeast. In the Northeast, it's all about having a great community while you're tailgating, and what better way to get to that community than through their stomachs. So you want to make sure that you're bringing a grill to your tailgate. It's the Weber Q1200. It comes in around $280.
Nice.
It's a great option. We really like it.
And when you think up in the Northeast, you got to be thinking like the chowder or something like that, right?
Yeah.
You know, because it's Boston.
Yeah.
There you go. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go into the front here because this is kind of neat. This is just, there's something about this, right?
Yeah,
it does something different.
So you want to make sure that when you are tailgating, you're leaving your space as clean as you found it. So this is great. It's super portable. It's a collapsible trash can. As you can see, this pops open, and then everyone knows it's a trash can, so they'll use it.
And it lands perfect.
Hopefully. So, and then the other thing, this is actually a tip from our football fans from the South. Recommended that you always have to have games and something fun to do at your tailgate. So I'm sure you've seen those wooden cornhole boards. This is actually an aluminum frame. At Best Reviews, we recommend this type of cornhole set because it's super lightweight. It's only 10 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's it? You can just carry it around super easy?
Yeah, super easy.
All right, Meredith, where do we find out more?
Go to bestreviews.com. We're there to simplify your purchasing decisions.
It's that simple.